Marami sa atin na pag merong nilakad sa government office, naghanap tayo ng fixer para mas mabilis ang transaksyon sa gobyerno. And actually, bawal ho ito ang gumamit ng fixer. At ito ay pinagbabawal ng Republic Act 11032 or the Ease of Doing Business and Efficient Government Service Delivery Act. At ang purpose ng batas na ito ay to streamline government procedures to promote business competitiveness, no? Bawasan ang red tape, tanggalin ang fixers doon sa mga transaksyon sa government. At nagkaroon ito ng timeline ang mga transaksyon sa gobyerno. For simple transactions, maximum of 3 working days. Kukuha ka ng sedula, dapat hindi 10 days, no? For complex transaction, maximum of 7 working days. For highly technical transaction, maximum of 20 days. If you do not receive a copy of an approval within the period, ang sabi ng batas na ito, it will be deemed approved by default. So, pag nag-apply ka ng business permit at 3 buwan na nandun, then you will assume that it is approved by default. Importante rin sa batas na ito, may zero contact policy. Ano yung zero contact policy? Dapat walang relationship yung nagre-request ng transaction at yung office or officer na magpa-process ng transaksyon. LGUs are required to have one agency to conduct the single or unified business application form. Yung ibang other LGUs, pwede na sa online yung pag-conduct ng business application form. At dapat meron ding LGU ang business one-stop shop, no? Hindi ka na pupunta from office to office, but dapat merong center na one-stop shop ang mga LGU. And of course, automatic electronic system. At ito nga, yung sinasabi natin, online application. Meron ding creation ng ARTA. Ano yung ARTA? Anti-Red Tape Authority. At ang ARTA has the power to receive on any complaint regarding non-compliance with the provision of the law. Ang fixing and collusion with fixers in consideration of economic or other gain or advantage is considered an economic crime. At ang first offense, may administrative liability with 6 months suspension para sa empleyado. Ang second offense, meron ng imprisonment of 1 year to 6 years and a fine of 500,000 pesos, but not more than 2 million pesos. Ayan. So, bawal ang fixer sa munisipyo.